I think the molecular therapy family of journals creates a nice home for anyone studying molecules and how they might someday, if not today, be used for therapeutic purposes.
Cell and gene therapy is a very diverse space, and it's growing. And so this is reflected in the journals. We started off with our flagship journal, Molecular Therapy, but we now have the 3 sibling journals. And it really just reflects the massive expansion in the field and also the increasing specialization that we recognize in these different areas.
We're sort of trendsetters. The unique advantage is that we have this entire journal family.
And each of those journals is really happy to entertain publishing work that has anything to do within their scope, which could range from really basic work to clinical translational work. So you can figure out which journal your paper fits best with. And if the editors feel it's better fit for a different journal, we have a nice transfer system. We are all authors, those of us who are editors, and so we want the experience for the author to be as smooth and easy as possible.
We have associate editors around the globe. They know who does strong research. They help us attract these authors, and so we're ever expanding and evolving geographically as well.
The editorial staff are deeply knowledgeable about gene and cell therapies, but also the reviewers we use and can tap into, many of whom are society members, are also equally knowledgeable and frankly are invested in the success of the field. So they're invested in the success of your paper.
I've been impressed with the people that are involved at all levels and their integrity and the rigor that they bring to the table for publishing, but also their sincere desire to just want to get the best science out there, to communicate and to provide lots of different avenues, things that can highlight some of the great work going on around the planet and provide a resource for people.
So if you trust, your data, your work, everything you've poured into your paper to us, I think we can guarantee that you will get a really fair review by your peers that should help the paper to be better.
I think the relationships that are being built within our community, between authors and editors, it is part of networking, it is part of building scientific relationships, it's part of building collaborations, it's part of building friendships. These relationships that you build through publishing with us are going to be there for the rest of your career.
Having a journal affiliated with a society like ASGCT brings numerous benefits. It's not just a place to park your paper. It's actually a place where your paper is read by members of the community, it's read by your peers. It has impact, real world impact, with great resources to sort of market and promote your work. But I think we will always retain that connection between the journal and the society and its members. So the journal is good because of its members. It's good because members trust the journal with their papers.
The quality of the work and the interest in the work that we publish is very, very high. I think it's just the level that we achieved. That's what I'm most proud of.